In today's video, we're diving into GoHighLevel, one of the most talked about platforms for marketing automation, client management, and funnel building. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been looking for a single tool that replaces half your tech stack, from ClickFunnels to MailChimp to Calendly, GoHighLevel might be the one. But the catch is, a lot of people sign up, see a million buttons, and instantly feel overwhelmed. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what GoHighLevel's main features do: funnels, emails, and automations, why they actually matter for your business, and how to start using them step by step. Let's get into it. So starting off with the basics, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform designed for agencies, coaches, and service-based businesses who want to manage everything in one place: funnels, emails, SMS campaigns, client pipelines, bookings, and automations. Think of it like a command center for your entire business. Instead of jumping between 6 different platforms, you can build your website, run your email list, follow up with leads, and automate tasks all inside one login. The biggest appeal is it just saves you time, money, and confusion. But to get the most out of it, you need to actually understand how the main features work together. So let's go by one. If you're not already signed up with GoHighLevel, you can get access to an extended free trial by using our exclusive link down below. Once you click that link, you can click get the extended free trial. It's going to ask you some things like your company name, full name, email address, and phone number. And then step number 2, you do have to put your credit card information in, but it's not going to charge you until the end of your 30-day free trial. So once you follow those instructions, this is what it looks like on the inside. They do have a launch pad right here, so it kind of guides you through step by step on how to get started. Then we've got our dashboard here. So this is where you can kind of see the status, the updates of everything. So you can see the opportunity status with all pipelines, or you can filter by a specific pipeline. You can see the opportunity value, the funnel, any tasks that are due, manual actions, the lead sources, as well as like a Google business profile and analytics. So you can really just see everything laid out right in front of you, and you can, of course, determine the time period there as well. Then you've got conversations. This is where you can filter everything in, like WhatsApp or Instagram, whatever it may be, so you have everything in one place. Then we've got calendars, so you can set up calendars exactly like Calendly, so you can set up specific appointments with specific dates and times that you have available and connect it to your actual calendar. Then we've got contacts, so this is where all of your contacts will live. You can see any tasks, any notes that are due. You can see any calendar appointments and even past appointments, any documents, any payments that have gone through. So it really just gives you a full picture of this specific contact's journey. Then we've got opportunities, which are your pipelines, so you can kind of see where they are in the journey, whether that's the marketing, the sales, whatever it may be. You can have multiple pipelines as well and customize them completely. Then this is where you set up all of your payments, so subscriptions, payment links, coupons, etc. You've got an AI agent here as well. Then this is where all of your marketing is, so your emails, your social planner, even your trigger links, affiliate manager, and so much more. Then we've got automation right here. So this is where you can create custom workflows, which we'll get into all of this in more depth, but I just wanted to give you an overview. Then this is where your funnels are, so you can create funnels, websites, stores, webinar, and then your client portal as well. So this is where you can customize all of that. We've got media storage, reputation, and reporting. So we're going to talk about funnels first. So the first core feature is funnels, and this is where most people start. The main goal is to guide visitors through a focused journey, whether that's downloading a free resource, booking a call, or buying a product. You can build full funnel sequences using their drag and drop pages inside the funnel builder, and each funnel is made up of a step, typically a landing page, a thank you, and then maybe a checkout or scheduling page depending on your goal. Here's why funnels are so important. Instead of sending people to a generic website with tons of distractions, funnels give them one clear next step. That single path dramatically increases conversions. Inside GoHighLevel, you can either build from scratch or choose a template. The templates are grouped by industries like fitness, real estate, or coaching, so you don't need to start from zero. Once you've added your pages, you can customize everything like your brand colors, fonts, and logo. You can insert forms to capture emails or phone numbers, and you can add a booking calendar or checkout form. You can even set up thank you pages or upsells, and each page automatically integrates with your CRM. That means the second someone fills out your form, their information is stored inside your GoHighLevel contacts, ready for follow-ups and automations. That's the key difference from standalone funnel tools. It's not just collecting leads, it's connecting them directly into your system for the next step. Like I said, you'll go ahead and come over to sites. To create a new funnel, you can just click new funnel. You can start from blank, or from a template or from AI. I always recommend the templates. They have so many good ones, but you can come in here and search for them. Once you go ahead and choose a template, this is what the funnel steps will look like. So this is just an example. It's home, appointment, and thank you. You can go ahead and add a new step if you would like and create a new page. You can clone this funnel step. You can delete it. That way you can see all of your stats. You can see all of your sales, security events, etc. Then to come in and edit a specific page, you just come in here and click edit, and then you can customize with their drag and drop builder. It's really easy to move things around, and it's really easy. It's pretty similar to any other drag and drop website builder, but you can come in here and add elements. You can add layers and blocks, and of course customize with your images. You can write directly on here, right? So it's very, very easy to navigate, which I love. Number 2 is email marketing. So this is one of the most powerful tools inside GoHighLevel. If you've ever used Mailchimp or ActiveCampaign, this works in a very similar way. But again, it lives under one roof. You can create email broadcasts, build nurture sequences, or set up automated follow-ups all inside the dashboard. If you wanted to send an actual broadcast, you would come over here to emails, you would click create campaign, and then you can build one from blank. You can look at email marketing templates. Just say we wanted to choose this template. So from here, this is where you'll build everything out. So you can completely edit this. Again, very similar to the website builder. You can add buttons, you can change the logo, you can even customize and pull in contact name to make it even personalized. Then what you'll do is send or schedule, right? Once that's done, so you can schedule it, you can select the time, who the email's from, the subject line, and then you can choose based on tags or smart lists who you actually want it to go to. So all you do is review and schedule, and then that will be sent out to your email list or whoever it is that you choose to send it to. Now let's talk sequences. So sequences are automated emails that send over time, like a 5-day onboarding series, a nurture flow, or even a welcome campaign. You can write each email, choose how many days to wait between them, and then assign the sequence to a workflow. Yes, GoHighLevel handles SMS and voicemail drops. So if you want to follow up through text or calls, you can add those inside the same sequence. GoHighLevel makes it super easy to automate that entire process. Number 3 is pipelines and CRM. Before we move into automations, we need to talk about this pipeline feature because this is where all of your leads live. If you're managing a team or clients, you can even assign leads to different users so no one slips through the cracks. Again, like I showed you before, you can customize all of this. If you want to add a new pipeline, you just click create pipeline, and then you can edit, move things around, etc. Number 4 is automation and workflows. This is where GoHighLevel really shines. A workflow is basically a set of triggers and actions, and it lets you automate tasks like follow-ups, appointment reminders, lead tagging, or onboarding without you ever touching a thing. You can also create more advanced workflows like sending an onboarding email series when a client signs up, tagging leads based on which funnel they come from, removing contacts from one campaign when they convert to another. This is so important because automation is just saving you time and prevents human error. You'll never forget to follow up again, and your customers get instant responses that make your business look professional and responsive. So all you'll do is click on automations. From here, you can, like I said, create a custom workflow. I like using templates, but if you wanted to start from scratch, you have to choose a trigger. Let's just say you had a tag for a specific lead magnet. Someone did your free health and fitness guide lead magnet, right? So tag added, then we'll select the tag. You can even do things like form submitted, and then you'll just select which form, save trigger. Then we can go ahead and add, maybe create a contact, right? Or maybe we want to create an opportunity next. So then we can put them in the marketing pipeline. Maybe we put them as a hot lead, etc. Maybe next we'll send an email, right? Then we can add a time delay. So maybe it's 1 day, save. So see how easy it is to create these workflows, and there is just so much that you can do with it. Next is the calendar and booking system. So GoHighLevel also comes with a built-in calendar and scheduling tool, which replaces apps like Calendly. So you can embed your calendar directly on a funnel page or your website when someone books a time. It automatically syncs with your Google Calendar and updates your CRM contact. You can set availability, limit bookings per day, and even trigger automations like sending reminders or post-appointment follow-ups. This is especially useful if you're a coach, consultant, or agency doing sales calls. I know I kind of showed you before, but you just come to calendars and you can create a new appointment directly in here. You can schedule an appointment, or you can create specific calendars. So one specifically for sales calls, one specifically primarily for client calls. So new calendar, it can be a personal booking, and maybe this is a one-to-one coaching call. You can select the team member, the duration, and this is where you can select your booking availability, and it will still look to see if you have any other meetings or conflicts. Next is reputation management and reviews. So another underrated feature inside GoHighLevel is called reputation management. When a client or lead finishes working with you, you can actually have them automatically send a message asking for feedback or a Google review. The workflow can look something like this. After a meeting or completed service, GoHighLevel sends a text or email asking, "How was your experience?" If they rate it positively, they're prompted to leave a review on Google or Facebook. If it's negative, it routes their feedback privately to you, so you can fix the issue before it goes public. So that lives right here. You will have to connect your Google account, but this is where you can send review requests. You can look at reviews that are already completed. You can look at your listing, etc. Lastly, let's talk about dashboard analytics. So every GoHighLevel account comes with a full analytics dashboard that tracks your pipeline, value, conversions, campaign performance, and ROI. You can filter by funnel, campaign, or client to see where your best leads are coming from. For agencies, this data is gold. It lets you show clients exactly how your campaigns are performing in real numbers, which just helps retain clients and justify results. For business owners, it helps you make smarter decisions like which offer converts best or what part of your funnel needs improvement. So there's reporting right here. There's so many custom reports on here. You can really just come in here and take a look at all of them, but it's so powerful. They've got Google Ads reports, attribution report, call report, appointment report, audit report, and it's very, very detailed in here. Okay, so now that you understand how everything works together, let's talk about the pros and cons to see if it's the best fit for you. Starting off with the pros. So the biggest benefit is centralization. Everything lives in one place, your funnels, emails, contacts, and automations. It saves time, simplifies your workflows, and eliminates tool overload. The automations are incredibly powerful once you understand them, and you can build end-to-end customer journeys that handle lead capturing, nurturing, and conversions automatically. The pricing also just makes sense for agencies. One account can manage multiple clients under separate sub-accounts, which just saves a lot compared to buying a million separate tools. And GoHighLevel's constant updates are a major plus. They're adding new features almost every single month, from social media schedulers to AI chat widgets, so the platform just keeps getting better and better, honestly. The main downside is the learning curve. There's a lot packed into one platform, so it can feel overwhelming at first, but the key is to focus on one feature at a time until you're comfortable. Also, the design editor is powerful, but it can feel a bit stiff compared to other tools. It's functional, not super flashy. And finally, since everything connects, one small setup mistake, like a broken trigger, can affect multiple automations. So just really take your time when you're testing out workflows. Now, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options here. So they do have three main plans here. They've got the Starter, Unlimited, and SaaS Pro. The Starter plan is $97 per month, and with this, you get all of the tools that we talked about. You get unlimited contacts and users, as many as you need. You get all of, again, the key features we talked about, but you get up to 3 sub-accounts. That's the main differentiator between the Starter and Unlimited. The Unlimited plan is $297 a month. You get everything in the Starter, but you get unlimited sub-accounts. You also get API access and a branded desktop app. And then lastly is the SaaS Pro plan, which is $497 a month. You get everything in the Unlimited plan, but you also get the SaaS mode auto sub-account creation and rebilling and ability to set up your own markup and some other features as well. So you could always start with the Starter plan and move up as you need to. The truth is, learning GoHighLevel is like learning the control room of your business. Once you get comfortable, it's hard to imagine running your marketing without it. I know automation tools can feel a bit intimidating at first, but honestly, once you set up your first workflow, you see it running on its own, it just clicks, and you realize how much time you've been wasting doing everything manually. That's the power of GoHighLevel. It's not about doing more, it's about letting systems handle the busy work so you can focus on growth, strategy, and client results. If you want to check out GoHighLevel and get access to that extended free trial, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are not already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand and choose the right SaaS tools for your business, from setup tutorials to in-depth reviews that actually help you take action. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.